happening today. You can expect an alert on your phone. This is a test from the federal government.
KOCO Shelby Montgomery live in the studio with a breakdown. Shelby.
Good morning. So this alert is testing a system that will notify us of any emergencies. Whether your phone is on silent or it has the ringer on, it will go off today. The alert is expected at 1:20 this afternoon, and it's similar to receiving an Amber Alert, but the message on your screen will read, quote, "This is a test of the National Wireless Emergency Alert System. No action is needed." FEMA says this test will help them learn about what areas of the country need to boost access to information.
There will be some areas that we're aware of that may have some challenges with coverage from the wireless carriers. We should have pretty much, I would say, 100% coverage from the emergency alert system through radio, television, cable.
The alert will take place for about 30 minutes. Again, that starts at 1:20 this afternoon. And the only way to avoid this, you need to turn off your phone and wait until 1:50 to turn it back on.